What are the prerequisites for using nipple shield? How to get correct size of nipple shield for yourself. How to wear nipple shield. How to prepare for breastfeeding using nipple shield. Hi, I'm Prachi. I'm lactation consultant from online lactation clinic Prachi Lactation. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to use nipple shield for breastfeeding. The two most important prerequisites for using nipple shield are correct size of nipple shield and mother should have good breast milk supply. Now, when the baby is trying to suck through nipple shield, baby requires more effort to get milk out. So, if the mother's supply is very low, then it is possible that baby hardly gets few drops during breastfeeding. And if that happens, the motivation for baby to breastfeed will not be there, and feeding with nipple shield won't really be successful. So it is important that mother has good supply. If she is not having it, then first she should try working on getting that supply up. To measure nipple shield, there are various scales available which you can use, but if you don't have any of those, then the most easiest way is to measure this diameter and then add about 3 to 4 millimeters more to it. So you can use either measuring tape or a ruler and place it like this, and see the start and end point. It should be up and down. So once you measure like this, in this case it's about 14 millimeters. So when you are selecting a nipple shield size, it will be whatever measurement you got plus 3 to 4 mm. So most of the times mothers will wear nipple shield like this. When you are wearing nipple shield like this, then it is not easy for baby to suck, because when baby tries to suck, nipple shield will come in their mouth. So what you have to do is you have to turn it inside out, but not fully, just keep the tip and then put it on the nipple and then soothe it back so that it pressure locks itself. Okay, and then once the nipple shield is in place, then you can keep your fingers like this to additionally keep it in position. It is also important to prepare the nipple shield and breast for breastfeeding. So once the nipple shield is fixed in its position, then you should try and express milk in the nipple, so that whenever the baby starts sucking, baby will start getting milk. This is especially important for those babies who are bottle feeding and are now coming to breast. Because of bottle feeding, they are accustomed to immediately receiving milk once they start sucking. So if the milk is readily available, they will try and make an effort to suck deeper. So how to do that? You have to hold the nipple shield in position, and see, in this case the nipple shield is not the correct size, and also this is wool, so it's really not getting properly attached. But once you wear it properly, it should be fully attached, and then once you hold it here, you can just start pressing on the sides. And once the milk is filled in the nipple shield, then holding this in position, just try to go behind so that your fingers do not interfere with baby's latch, and then try to latch the baby. So this was about how to use nipple shield for initiating direct breastfeeding. In the next video, we are going to discuss how to wean Nipple Shield. If you find this information useful, do consider subscribing.